In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily replace the battery in your 7P Volkswagen Touareg key fob. To do that, first we need to remove our safety key, which is located on the back here. To do that, you're going to hold down this Volkswagen button. You could press it in, and then you'll be able to pull your key out of the fob, just like that. Next, we'll take our key fob, and on the back side, there's a little slot right here. We're gonna put a pick or screwdriver in there and press down and back, and it'll open up the side of the fob. The battery is stored in here. And to get the battery out, you just need to pry this like that, and it will come right out of place here. The battery that this takes is a CR032 battery. I have these linked on Amazon so you could get them nice, cheap, and convenient, but you could also find them locally if you have to. Now we could take our new battery, and on the battery tray there's a plus symbol, and match that up with the plus on the battery. So this is gonna sit down in the tray like that, and then we could slide it back into our fob. Now, all that we have to do is take our metal side and put that back in place. So there's a little tab right there that you're going to slide into your fob here. And that'll click back in place. The last thing to do is to put our emergency key back in place. This key is directional, so you need to make sure that it goes the right way. And that little Volkswagen logo right there on the key is going to go like that. So you'll press this in, it'll click, and then you'll know it's locked in place, and you won't be able to just pull it out. And one last note, if you want to make sure that your new battery is working, press some of the buttons, and if you see that red light brightly flashing there, you'll know that you're in good shape.